It's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. Today I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys how I created a summer inspired tablescape using the infamous lemon plates from the Dollar Tree. I decided to do something a little bit different this year by using natural pieces and natural elements and shopping my home, and I'm also offering a lot of tips and ideas that I have not offered to you guys or shared with you guys in recent tablescape videos. And speaking of recent tablescape videos, I knew that this collaboration was long overdue with my girl Keri over at the channel Keri. So once you guys finish this video, head on over to her channel to check out her take on the pink lemonade tablescape. It is going to be absolutely amazing. Keri is such a genius when it comes to many things, but I especially love her creativity and her zeal and her knack and her passion for tablescaping and for entertaining in and around her home. So be sure to head over to Keri once you finish this video and come back and let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. So now that that has been said, we're going to get started with decorating our table. The first thing I'm going to do is add the runner and the centerpiece, and yes, you probably saw the centerpiece from Dinner on Blanc, and if you have not seen that video with my husband and I, our date night, I will link it down below as well. The only thing that I'm going to do is add the lemon pick that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was $2.99, and if it wasn't on sale for 50% off, I'm almost sure that I used the 40% off coupon. I know that that's not a massive savings, but I'm telling you guys, as my grandmother would always tell me, that pennies make dollars. Okay, so now that we have the centerpiece in place, you can see that it's a little bit neutral with the table, the chairs, and the burlap all being, you know, a natural color. So I'm going to break that up a little bit by adding in the kiwi green placemats, and I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I do know that they are at the Dollar Tree as well for $1, but I choose to get them from Bed Bath & Beyond because the quality is a little bit better and they are a little bit more pliable and flexible. Next, I'm going to layer on top of those placemats the twig chargers that I got a while back, and if I can find that link, I will link these down below as well. If not, I will link something similar, and I'm just going to add that in to bring about that natural feel back to the table that now that I've added in the green placemat. So I'm loving the way that looks, and I am all ready now to add the lemon plates from the Dollar Tree. They are so absolutely amazing. I saw these last year as well, but I passed on them, and then when I finally made my mind up to purchase them, they were not there. So that is a tip. If you see something at the Dollar Tree that you really love, grab it because it may not be there, especially when it's a seasonal item like these lemon plates, and they are very, very, very hot this season, but they also had them available for a short time on their website. So I decided to go with the dinner plates instead of the salad plates or the dessert plates. I did buy both of them, but I don't layer both of them on top of each other, and I usually use this tip with almost everything, simply because you hide the design or the motif on the plate and you don't want to do that. So I typically just go with the salad plate, or I will go with the actual the dinner plate, and I'll give you guys an option of what that looks like as well, and you can tell me what you think down below. Do you prefer the salad plate or do you prefer the dinner plate? Salad plate, dinner plate. And I am also styling the salad plate using a yellow plate that I got from the Dollar Tree a while back as well. So don't forget to tell me which one you guys like. So next I'm going to add in the candles, and here's another tip for you. If you have tapered candles that are too small for your candle holder, you can use these candle fillers. They are from Hobby Lobby. I have had them probably since I've been on YouTube. They go a long way. They're only like $1.99 a pack, and again, I use that 40% off coupon because I never pay full price for anything at Hobby Lobby. And so what you do is you simply take the candle fitter and you wrap it around the base of the candle, and then you just put it into your candle holder. And you probably see me haul these at a Hobby Lobby haul sometime back because it was so I think this was like 80 or 90% off, these taper candle holders. So I just absolutely love that splash of silver and the wood natural look at the bottom, and the silver on the stick of the candle matches the silver cutlery. So absolutely love that. And here are the final results. So for the napkin rings, I am using napkin rings that I got from dealers a while back. They were $2.80 with an additional 50% off, and they are like the natural burlap feel. I have a whole bunch of those. And then I also got napkins from Bed Bath & Beyond. They were on sale for $6.99, and I also use a 20% off the total purchase coupons. You can normally find these in like magazines or either in the newspaper. They do email them, but normally the one you get in the email is just 20% off one item. And so I thought that was a great deal because you got 12 napkins in one pack. So I actually bought 2 packs of napkins, and it's the summer line. So they are super, super, super cute. And I just simply wrap the burlap napkin ring around the napkin, and then I'm going to place some greenery on the inside of it to give it that natural feel. And I picked a greenery that the leaves kind of mimic the leaves of the lemon plate from the Dollar Tree, and it just kind of, you know, gives that pop of color and that natural feel at the very same time.
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on every single beat. It's my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you, cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights.
I am so loving the way that this all came together. It is so absolutely beautiful, and it definitely brings a happy and cheery feeling in our home. I love the color yellow. I almost did this tablescape using black and white, but it just did not give me that summer feel and vibe that I was looking for. But once I put it with the natural elements, and again, you could use, you know, either the dinner plates or you could use the salad plates. Don't forget to vote on your choice down in the comments below. But I just absolutely love that overall feel. It's just, I mean, you can't look at this and be grumpy or sad. So those of you guys who look at this video and you give it a thumbs down, and you know that the color yellow should make you happy, then you probably, I'm going to pray for you. No, just kidding. You know that there are always those people. There's always that one that's not going to like something that you do. But for the majority of you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoyed this collaboration. Be sure, like I said, to leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for all of your continuous and unwavering support. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.